What's up, y'all? I'm back. I got this fried chicken, french fries, coleslaw. Let's try the fries. I'm going to scoop it in with the coleslaw. These fries are crispy. Look, see how crispy they are? Watch that. Pick the coleslaw up with. Fried chicken. Mm-hmm. This chicken is so good. Dickerson Market. Our coleslaw is like really good, man. Best coleslaw I've had in a long time. But this place is a little restaurant / market, and it's out in the middle of nowhere, and they got the best fried chicken on the East Coast, y'all. The best fried chicken. If y'all ever out this way, swing by there and check it out. Peace. Till next time.